people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got